In today's video, I'll teach you how to schedule a pickup in Costco. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to order online, but if you want to pick up in Costco, what you have to do is simply go to the specific interface of the Costco. For that, click on the search bar and type in this link. The link is quite long: www.costco.com/order-online-pickup-warehouse.html. Press enter. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you can do is simply order the items online and you'll be able to pick it up at your local Costco. So you'll be able to see all the eligible items over here. You'll be able to see the categories like laptops, tablets, earrings, etc. So what you have to do is simply click on the category of your choice. You'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to see all the eligible items over here. Simply click on the item that you would like to schedule the pickup for. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the item detail of that particular item. Now if you scroll down in this interface, you can see over here you'll be able to find the option for shipping, pickup and same day delivery. So what you have to do is simply click on this option pickup that you can see on the screen. You can also see the estimated time over here. Also, you'll be able to see the location of the local Costco from where you'll be able to pick it up. For me, it is Seattle. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. This is for the members only. So what you can do is simply add the membership number. After you do that, you'll be able to schedule this particular pickup. Go through all the process that you do while ordering the items in Costco. After you check out the item and complete the payment, your pickup will be scheduled. You can simply go to the specific local Costco warehouse and you'll be able to pick up your item over there. So like this, you'll be able to schedule the pickup. So that is how you schedule pickup in Costco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.